Hello, friends. Good morning. I'm going to share with you my journey in Tai Chi. 49 years ago, I started learning Tai Chi from my late father-in-law. That's the classical Yang style. So I will start with express the classical Yang style expressed through the 48 forms. Then I get fascinated with Cheng style. So then I do a Cheng style from the 56 Cheng style composed by Professor Kang Guixiang. And I learned that from her directly over many years. And after many things, between that, I discovered the incredibly soft, powerful healing art of Sang style or Sun style. So I ended with Sun style. I like to thank Carissa for joining me to share this journey with you. And she's going to have a sing songs that the lyric resonate with me in my Tai Chi. That somewhere in the rainbow there's a world of harmony that we dream of and work towards. And to get there, we need friends like you and me. So we want to dedicate this to our friends, Richard and Bush.